Danger before beauty. My pattern is unique to me alone. Mnaijua tu vizuri sana. Hii naweza wapatia hint. Nikiwapatia hint mtajua ni mnyama mgani.
Sasa tujue. Kwani hutaki tujue?
Cat.
Si cat, it's a tiger.
Yes. It's a tiger. Yeah.
Danger before beauty.
Aya. I'm trusted more than machines in places where footprints disappear.
Horse.
Bull.
Toka hapo.
I'm trusted more than machines in places where
footprints disappear.
Mwangu mmeniambukiza.
Najua. I'm trusted more than machines
in places where footprints disappear.
Nimejua.
Trusted more than machines in places where
footprints disappear.
Footprints disappear.
Yeah.
Dog.
Dog.
That's a camel.
That's a camel.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Mimi najua hii game.
I see storms. Hizi ni wanyama very common.
Ni wanyama?
Zosi. Nikikwambia ukaniambia nini? Suliongea Haya. Sawa. I see storms arriving long before most creatures notice the sky change.
Toka.
Don't repeat
the question. Nini?
Usirudie.
Ile tuaje? Bad. Bad ama?
Toka.
Eagle.
Basi unajua ni eagle. Very common.
Afanya umesema nini hata mimi nakukata.
I see storms arriving long before most creatures notice the sky changing. Giraffe. Lakini sungoje watu. Haya. I look overdressed for somewhere that's cold.
I look overdressed for somewhere that's cold. Penguin.
Wow. Makofi hiyo nayo.
Haya.
My
quietness hides how much of human life depends on me.
How much of human life depend on me? You ni lizard hivi.
So toka.
Domestic
animal. Cow.
Yes, a cow.
Wala ni cow.
Cow.
Mimi mbona si depend kwa cow.
So tumetoka kunywa maziwa saa hii.
Mimi.